look at the products, the fundamental features underneath what's happening on Exchange 2010. Really, it comes down to three big things. The first thing is, it's great for dealing with communication overload. And really, things like just simplifying inbox navigation, being able to go and share calendars across organisations, going and doing things like that. The second is looking at the reliability and lowering the management cost and increasing the performance of the system. I'll tell you one thing that we did in a test the other week, a really big database, and I can't remember how big it was, but it took 30 seconds to fail over from one node to another using the clustering back end there. So we've been able to go and sort of see some really amazing performance improvements and really simplification of management. And the final thing is about compliance and protecting data that you've got in there. So what I'm going to go and do is I'm going to go and show you something, which is you as an administrator, or when you go and get your legal guys come along and beat you up, you will be able to go and automatically go and say that any message that is sent in your organisation can be IRM protected. So it can be automatically protected. I think we all heard last year of the lawyer in New York who sent a piece of email and had autocomplete or did something silly, and instead of sending it to another lawyer, sent it to the journalist for the New York Times. I don't think I'd want to be the IT guy that goes and has that experience of explaining how that was able to go and happen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch over to Exchange over here, and I'm there already. And I'm looking at technology preview of Office 2010, of Outlook in Office 2010. The thing you guys will be able to get in July, you want to get it. It's awesome. It's awesome, awesome, awesome. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to send a piece of mail from one of my users. Now, my user is a mailbox is named Arlene Huff. She's in our legal group. She's going to send a piece of mail to one of our executives. Now, the thing we know about Arlene is that she is not very good at remembering to put this permissions things on there. And she's got these files that we're going to attach, and here's a document. Actually, I'll just show you in the document. Oh, look at that. There goes all my dissing and mark. And the funny thing is that let me see if I can go and do it on machine D. Let me go and see if I can do it on there. Okay, so I'm in here, my mouse is going to catch up in a second. My mouse is caught up. Okay, so here's my message. Luckily, we have failover on the back end. And I'm going to go and attach this file. There it is. I'm going to insert it. And I could just open it and have a look. Come on. You can open it for me. This is just opening a Word doc. It's not like I'm... Whatever. I got a marvelous in there. This is not the key part. Actually, the funny thing is that in there's a term, it's called Project Vegemite, but the important part was on the second line. It says something like, Mary Jo Foley can't know about this project name. That was the joke about opening that file, so it wasn't all that important. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over this administrative framework, and I'm going to